Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change our cushion. You can see it's all messed up right here. So we're going to change the cushion. We want to lift the back part up, lift the front up a little bit. So we're going to lift the front up a little bit, and then we'll lift the back up, and then we can do it like this. Then we can remove these screws right here, and then we will get and that way it will take off the cushion. We have our new cushion right here. Oh, by the way, this is a Freightliner M2. Alright, have our new cushion right here, so let's do that. So it's 10 millimeter. We're gonna go ahead and take this 10 millimeter off right here. Just don't lose them, put them somewhere safe where you can see it. Same thing for this right here. Alright, so now our cushion can come out. I noticed this piece right here. I'm going to transfer it to the new one, and that's about that. Alright, so we need to remove this right there. Right there.
Yes, it's a very big deal. It's very exciting.
I'm going to put them right here.
I'm saying, not only am I going to Omaha, but I can't even fly into Omaha because the flights are very expensive and poorly timed. So I'm flying into St. Louis, not St. Louis, Kansas City. I'm flying into Kansas City, driving 2.5 hours to the airport both ways. And then we're going to be in Omaha. Kids are going to take it and play the game. Like I said, what are you going to do? I'm excited, very excited. I'm not going to see people. And the conversation, parents' conversation, who needs tickets, who's got tickets. I'm like, I'm good. I don't need tickets. I'll get it. No, I am. Oh, you are this time. The parents.
There it is. Now it's time to install these back. So now what we're going to do is connect these under here. Alright guys, so I just kind of like preset them a little bit. Hopefully I can get it on. Yeah, that's just one of my ideas I come up with. Seems to work. It seems to work, guys. Alright, so we're gonna slide it back, and then we want to slide this in right here. Alright, so now we need to catch the other one right here. There we go. There we go. 10 millimeter again. Same thing for this side. Alright, so now you can push this and down, and that's it, guys. That's how you change your cushion.